Hi, boys and girls. I hope you had a nice weekend. So, we're going to do something a little different. It's going to be like school. Instead, I'm not going to be able to see you, but I want you to answer questions out loud to your mom or dad, and I want you to point to the screen to answer questions, okay? So, last week, I had you go over the letter, good, S, and the S makes a what sound? Good. Can you say awesome? And we went over the letter T. T for Tom. And the letter T makes the t sound. We're going to play a game. I'm going to play I Spy with you. So I'm going to describe a picture and you are going to point to it on the screen, okay? So I spy with my blue eyes something that starts with the letter S, and it is yellow or an orange color, and it's in the sky. Can you find it? Awesome. If you said sun, you're right. The sun. I spy with my blue eyes something we do at night. Something we do at night. Yes, we sleep. If you pointed to the picture of the boy sleeping, that begins with the letter S. I spy an animal on a tree. Fantastic. Does anyone know what animal this is? A sloth. Sloth. And are sloths fast or slow? They're slow animals. Very good. I spy a boy outside doing something fun where you have to pump your legs in order to go high, high, and higher. Awesome. If you said swing or swing set, you're right. Swing starts with the letter S. I spy with my blue eyes something that is up and something that has clouds and the sun. If you said sky, you're right. And the last clue is I spy with my blue eyes a boy with goggles, and he's doing something that you do in the summer, and it's a lot of fun. Yes, swimming. The boy is swimming. Good job. Now we're going to do this for the letter T. We're going to play a game with the words that begin with the letter T, and I need your help. So I spy with my blue eyes something that's round and they're on cars or trucks. Good. Tire. This is a tire. Say tire. Fantastic, boys and girls. I spy something we need to chew our food with. And we also brush these every morning and every night. Good. Teeth. Teeth. I spy a boy and he's carrying a heavy book bag. Can you point to it on the screen? Where is there a boy with a heavy book bag on? And he's slouching like this. Good. And he's tired. Tired starts with the letter T. Tired. I spy something that's outside and has a trunk. Yes, a tree. Tree. I spy an animal that has a shell and kind of is like a sloth, is slow. Fantastic, a turtle. And last but not least, I spy with my blue eyes something that we watch our shows on, like our cartoons or our favorite show. Yes, a television. Fantastic. Now today you can do this with your mom or dad. You can go around the house And you can find things that start with the letter S or T. And also, I want you to practice tracing and even try to write the letter. So you could do it with your hand first, S, and then T. Okay, I'm so proud of you, and I'll see you guys soon, okay? Bye.